Hey, what's up, everybody? We're back again with some more trigonometry, and we are still on the unit circle. Um, this time we're going over taking the degrees, and we're going to look at them from what is called the radian standpoint. So I'm going to take these degrees and turn them to a radian. And the reason for doing that is because we want to take the degrees, which is not really a number. We want to take it and change it to a number so we can use it in certain equations in trigonometry. So let's start off by saying that 0 degrees is 0. All right. And the thing that we want to understand is at 180, we have what we call pi. All right. But as far as radians, pi is basically 180 degrees. So therefore, when you think of these, the radians, we're thinking over 180. All right. And what I mean is, let's take 30 degrees, for example. The radius of 30 degrees is pi over 6. All right. Now, think for a second. I just said that pi is equivalent to 180. So, let's take this and let's solve this for a second. All right. When you take 180 over 6, you get 30. And I just verified that. Alright? And that's where we get the degrees from. Alright? Pi over 6 is equivalent to 30 degrees. Alright? So that's how you get that. With that being said, let's go to 45 degrees. So at 45 degrees we have pi over 4. Alright? Yeah, excuse my writing. At 60 degrees, you got pi over 3. Alright? And at 90 degrees, we have pi over 2. So what we're saying is 180 divided by 2 is equal to 90. So that's how we get the degrees. 120, we have 2 pi over 3. Alright? You understand that? What we do is we take 180 times 2 and divide that by 3, and get 120. Alright? Alright. So at 135 degrees, you have 3 pi over 4. Alright? At 150 degrees, you have 5 pi over 6. Alright? And at 180, you have pi. Alright? Pi is equivalent to 180. So that's just pi. At 210, you have 7 pi over 6. Alright? At 225, you have 5 pi over 4. Alright? Alright. So at 240 degrees, you have 4 pi over 3. Alright? And at 270 degrees, you have 3 pi over 2. Alright? So 3 times 180 divided by 2 will give you 270. Alright? And at 300 degrees, we have 5 pi over 3. Alright? And at 315 degrees, we got 7 pi over 4. All right. And finally, at 330 degrees, we have 11 pi over 6. So those are your radians. All right. Your degrees converted to radians. That's what you have right there, the complete unit circle. So this is your complete unit circle with all your points. Your cosines, your sines, the degrees, your radians. And with this, we will use these radians and degrees for many things in trigonometry. So stay tuned for the next videos and practice. All right.